Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a GMC Acadia key fob battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob using the Release tab, then use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the seam. Keep track of the battery orientation and any small clips. Replace with a CR2032 battery, snap the case closed, and test the fob at the vehicle. If it fails, reseat the battery and check contacts. Follow these steps slowly for a smooth battery change. First, press the Release tab and pull out the mechanical key. Next, insert a flathead screwdriver into the seam and twist gently until the case opens. Note the battery orientation and remove the old CR2032 battery, then insert the new one positive side up. Snap the case back together until you hear it click and test the fob near your vehicle to confirm proper function. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you work on cars or wait for parts, and it fits in a glove box easily. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Alright, now let's get back to the video. If your fob still does not respond after replacing the battery, stay calm and try a few checks. Verify the battery sits flat and the positive side faces up, then clean the contact points with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the case is fully snapped closed and there are no broken plastic clips. If problems persist, test with another CR2032 battery to rule out a defective cell before pursuing programming or dealer options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.